Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing a live photo. Open Photos and pick or record the clip you want. Live photos work best under 3 seconds because they loop cleanly. Once chosen, use Edit to trim, stabilize, or change key photo so motion begins where you want it. Make sure the image framing and aspect ratio match your screen. Adjust crop now. After editing, tap Done to lock in the file. This saves the exact live photo you'll use as wallpaper in the next step. Once done, open that live photo and tap the share icon, then select Use as wallpaper. You'll see a preview. Enable live photo motion if it's not already active so pressing will animate. Pinch to zoom and drag to position the subject where it looks best on the lock screen. Maintain full screen coverage to avoid black bars. When satisfied, tap Set and choose Set Lock Screen. This applies the only consistent animated wallpaper behavior on iPad. The motion triggers when you press or wake the screen. Finally, wake the iPad and press the lock screen to confirm the live photo animates. If it doesn't, make sure live photo is enabled in the wallpaper preview, your iPad OS is up to date, and low power mode isn't limiting animations. If problems persist, recreate the live photo with a clean 1 to 3 second clip and reapply. Sometimes re-exporting from photos fixes metadata issues. Remember, the lock screen press is the trigger. Home or home screen won't auto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.